Hey guys, what is up? It is Sancty DJ, and we are back with some more epic Banished. Our city, or our civilization, our town, has grown so much. So we got the dock shanties, or dock homes. This is a shanty, isn't it? Yep. Dock homes, dock shanties in place. We got the iron ore, well, the iron shack, stone shack, sorry, is going heaps good. Now, one thing we found out last episode, guys, was we obviously need tools. And how we get tools is we need a blacksmith. Alright, check. We got a blacksmith. We got a blacksmith residence, which is even cooler. Look at that. Now, another interesting tool I found out was, let's see. No, that wasn't it. Let me find it. It's, maybe that? No, doesn't look like it. I'm gonna find it. I will eventually find it. So what I'm looking for is a thing that if you click on, there we go, paths. So you click on it and it shows everyone that's living in that house and where they go. So if they're close, then obviously, so the blacksmith is obviously here, so she lives close, or he, and then you got the female of the house or whatever, and then you got people, so you can see, so there's 3 people in this house, one goes here, one goes here, one goes all the way down here, so you can see their paths. We got one person here, it's the same type of deal. This one just goes there, that we have no one apparently, that one goes there, or they're just a labourer. We got one there, we got one that heads to the iron, stone shack, sorry, and then bam. So you kind of understand what's, yeah, and they have the troll under the bridge there, or the dock, I think it would be called, but whatever. So we're going to get started. We have to get our, well, our food is low. So we've been having problems with our food lately, and that's something that we really need to improve. So let me pause real quick. Now we do have everyone doing forester. We could push that. We're going to push that. And we're looking to see if we need anyone on food duty or anything like that. Does not look like that way. So today we are going to be going down and getting ourselves a, where is it? It's here somewhere. What's this? Refined resources. Yeah, it's here. I know it is. Now looking for a water wheel sawmill. There we go. That's it. So this thing, if you guys don't know, is a it creates lumber pretty much, and we need lumber obviously at the moment, because lumber can also produce that also helps with buildings as such. So we definitely need lumber so we can improve our buildings and stuff. And then we're going to get a forge. That's our next thing. And then we'll be able to burn off the iron, and then we'll be able to create tools and all that. So the placement of this thing, it's easier said than done. That's probably going to be it. Just there, looks good. I think that's our placement. And yeah, then we're going to resume. So that's going to be a metal kin makes bricks and roof tiles with clay. Okay, so brickworks, using a furnace at brickworks. So that's lumber there. And then you got a shipyard. I'm not sure what shipyards are actually good for. I mean, obviously I know they create ships. Waterside docks and wharves. And then we got a sawmill, produces lumber or firewood. So it's already built up. So they're already getting straight into it. So that's going well. Our iron collection, is he planting at the moment? He's still planting, so we still want him to plant. Actually, we might do some cutting as well. So now she's going to be cutting and producing stone. So that's win-win. And there we go. It is up. It is up. So fuel limits. So we might slow down. So obviously we need logs to create it. We've got plenty of logs. So let's go and find ourselves what we need for this guy. A woodcutter, is it? It is, okay. A tornado has touched down near the town. Here we go, big disaster. I did not want this to happen. There is fire out. This is gonna... There it is. So this is gonna, this is gonna destroy the town. This is gonna kill a lot of people. This is gonna kill most of the town, guys. It's pretty bad. I don't think we can turn disasters off at this point. Hopefully it doesn't suck in everyone. Alright, and then here we're gonna have death messages coming up. There's no stopping it. We've... Alright. We're gonna lose half the town. Okay, so look, we got 26, we got children 8, we got 26 adults. So all up our population has grown a bit, but it's gonna be over. Oh wait. Oh please do keep going up. Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's... Hopefully it doesn't actually destroy or go near the town. I'm hoping it just goes away now. I'm just gonna speed it up. Oh! Come on, keep going, keep going. Yes! Oh my god. Guys, you won't believe how lucky that is. That tornado wasn't, what's this? The production limit has been reached. So I think we can go there, just not there, so that's 600 as well. Okay, whatever. I wish we could turn this down there, but I know that's going to turn down as well. So yeah, there's nothing really that's going to stop us. So we can either make lumber, yeah, well obviously we'll have to make wood. So the food is low. Okay, so this is a big thing at the moment. Our food is getting low, and we definitely need another food production. So we got a butcher style, llama butcher. Okay, oh, thank you. I never knew we had llamas. We could do an apiary. This is like a beehive thing. Yeah, for that. Medieval apiary. Oh, it says a hunting bind. That would be pretty cool. What says a wharf and ship. Like, some of these are pretty cool. Flax gatherer. Alright, so we want something that we haven't got yet. We got gatherers going. We could get another gatherer's hut because they do a lot of work. A medieval pond. That would be cool. That would be cool. Fisherman. So we got a small fisherman here. So that's a small one. This is a regular. And then this one's just a mini as one. So we could go like... Yeah, we could do something there. But... like, oh man, there's so much things we could do. Crop fields, plantation. Oh, okay. Like, non-food crops such as cotton, flax should be grown in this field to avoid using your town's food limits. Standard pasture. I'm not too sure what we're gonna go for. Tropical greenhouse. We gotta think of something though. So we're gonna a hunting cabin. That would be good. yeah, I think a hunting cabin wins. So I'll have this guy, maybe over here, something like that. That kind of works. I like that. I like it. I'm just so glad that tornado didn't hit our town. You won't. I've had a tornado just like go there and it's killed half my town. Like, it hasn't even passed through anything, and that's what I was worried about. But then it started going in a different direction, so I think we were very lucky to survive that. So that's just a warning that, you know, it'll never end. It'll never end. So everything's going relatively. That's not a word, is it? Is there a way to do? We can do log and stone. That's not. I want to go log and iron. So I just want iron at least. So but like she's just doing amazing work. So I think that's all the stone she's got. 24. Got a bit over there. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. And then now we're just building that up at the moment. Now, do we have anyone to work? We got one person that can work as a what do you want to call it? A dude. A dude. I can work as a hunter. Hunter, that's it. So we can do one there. So that's coming well. I like that. And then we'll build a nice little path going into it and whatnot. So we'll go one hunter there. That's all we have, don't we? Yeah. Okay, and then we will get our dirt path. That's our dirt, isn't it? Yep, dirt road, sorry. And then we'll go into her. Yep, that's it there. Now we do. Oh, is that okay? So let's see. What does this guy have for us? He's got an arrowhead. He's got glassware. So if we went bam, that's a lot of fish for something there for 20 glassware. Or we could go arrowhead. Oh, he's only got one arrowhead. Okay, we'll take it. About there for now, I think. And then we'll bring it up to a few units. You are overpaying by 15 units. Oh no. Trade. And dismiss. There you go now. So that was a good trade. I'm happy with that. So we should have in our inventory. Oh well, we should have. Maybe it's in our thing here. Oh yeah, our glassware. Where did our arrowhead go? There it is. Alright, food. Knew it. So we got the. So that's what we're gonna work on with the. Once we get more laborers or laborers in, that's what we're gonna be working on. So now that we got this thing going, we should do a stockpile. Wherever that is. Stock. It's somewhere. It's hiding. Here it is. No, not you. There's just so many things. We gotta. Alright, so now we can choose a transparent stockpile, sorry. So what's this? Logs, iron, material stockpile. I don't know if that's logs. I don't know. Wood used to store raw materials such as logs, firewood, but would that store? Used to store firewood, coal. Okay, that's about it. That's pretty good. So about there. Okay, let me Oh, okay, fair enough. So we've got to go like here, I'd say. And we'll spread that to about there. So that's our fuel. I don't know, do we want fuel? Like, I don't want stone or anything like that. But I do want a lot of lumber there. Actually, here, this is what I'm going to do. This is a lot of work, but, alright, so we'll have to go. What I'm going to do is, let's turn this way. Go stockpiles. We're going to do a wood stockpile. So from there to about there, and then we're going to go with our fuel stockpile. We're going to go there to there. There we go. Like, I want it a bit uneven. Like, I don't want it all fancied up and all that. So that's looking good there. And then we'll add on railings and stuff to the side. I think it's going to be cool. Build a trading post. Alright, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go out and we're going to build a fence. We're going to fancy this place up. And then we're going to BRBs. Alrighty guys, so we're back, and our little tradesman, he came while we were here, and he's bought something that I've been wanting for a while. Cows. He's bought us, no, not cows, sorry, bisons. And this is something I've been wanting, but we don't have enough units at the moment. This is a pain in the ass because I'm sorry. I just want bison. They're sick as I've always as a kid, I've always thought they are one of the coolest animals there are, legit. So what we've done, we found a fence tool that we've been using, and it is working out a-okay. So you go in here, and then you go bam, bam. I haven't used any of the others. This is just what I'm using. So then you got a gate opening that you can do, but that's like huge as. Yeah. So I've been using this, obviously these two, and then obviously we've been changing the where is it? So that's straight on. You don't want that. You want these on the far right, like there, and then because they actually stick to the side. So we've been using, where is it? There. Been using these. Is that it? Yeah, looks it. There we go. And then nailed it. And yeah, so that's all we've been using pretty much. So about, let's see, that's one there. One down, boom. And then changing the style. And then we'll go, I think that looks good. And then that connects in pretty well, doesn't it? I think it does. And then so we're gonna go bam on this as well. So yeah, you can just see how it's gonna work out, and I just think it's gonna look pretty damn good, dudes. I actually do. This is definitely something that should be added to the game. I don't know if there's something there. Because this is epic. It only, like, fences, it makes sense, but I think the builders are overdoing it. 2 builders per one. You know, that's a bit far-fetched, but whatever. So, we don't have any lumber coming in yet. Does not look that way. Unless I'm missing it. So I don't know what's happening. I don't know if it takes a while or if people are just using it as firewood at the moment. That's probably a thing. I just want to produce lumber. That's pretty much it. But wow, fire! We got a lot of people that want tools at the moment. I think we got 31. That means we went up a bit. So we'll produce the hunters, and we need more food. We honestly need more food. Like we can't keep living like this, guys. We need more food. So let me see. Food production. Now, animal pens, crop fields. I want to do all the crop fields later. We go to tropical greenhouse, a medieval water tower. Actually, this is making me thirsty for some reason, but all good. We should survive. So food refining. So we got like whatever bakery and stuff like that. That's can be useful. But maybe we will. Where was that thing I saw? A hunting bind. I saw that, and that's looks pretty nifty. I want to put it in. I think it'd be cool if I could put it in like where all the trees are, and it's like hidden, like full on perfectly. I mean, that would be pretty cool. But like, oh, far out. That's a lot of stone. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, we need reeds. We don't have reeds, do we? Or do we? We do. We do. We have 102. I don't know. New foods gatherer. Maybe we should put another gatherer chart in, because they are epic for gathering. They actually are. I reckon about there. Put it there. Link it up. It's a long walk, but whatever. It's either that or we can go for another fishing dock. I think we will, because it kind of gets a bit awkward, I guess I'll say. Like, between this, yeah, because I don't know how I'm gonna really fill that in. So we'll just put a thing there. Now, I do want to produce... What am I doing? I don't know what I did. What am I doing? Oh. Yeah, and then we'll go there. So we got 2 there. Now working at the lumber sawmill. I don't know. I think it's just a bit easier that way. Alright. So we are, yes, we are building, but at the same time we're not. So that fence is done. We got these 2 to go, or 3. They should nearly be done. Come on, finish it. Let's speed time up with it. Nailed it, ace it, can't be rock. Come on, come on, come on, boom. Come on, come on, come on, boom. Come on, oh. One person, this, oh, and she's taking shifts. So that's our fuel. Is that fuel? I think this is our go-to area for fuel, to be honest. I wish it was different, lumber and thing a bit. I wish they were different, because we need lumber, but we can't because of this guy. So maybe we put him out. Maybe we'll stop him from working for a while, and then we'll get this guy going. See, I told you guys, they're starving. Everyone's starving. Starvation, right? Please be a child. No. No, that's not good. That ain't good. Where is this tornado? That's gonna hit us. We'll see. Hopefully not. No, it looks like it's going that way. I'm happy. Just keep going that way. Nope, looks like it's turning towards us. No. Okay, I think we're safe. Far out. saved again. Alright, no, seriously, we do need that thing up. So we got one that can work as a... Are we gonna gatherer? Would be good, but I think we're gonna go for fisherman. So yeah, just keep going. Keep building. Who cares about deaths? We don't need people. Let them die. Fisherman. Sorry, not a fisherman. It is, isn't it? Come on. Alright. We're in that time of need where, yeah, we can't. Yeah, here we go. Woodcutter. Oh, please don't tell me it was on you. Far out. Okay. That ain't good. Okay, that's not good. Far out. See, this is what sets us back. We got to think about it before we start building. Well, we don't have anyone there, so no point there. We just lost so many people though. Well, maybe if our gatherers actually started doing their work. We don't even have. We have a full gatherers. We have full hunting cabins. Where's all our food, dudes? Seriously. 2 working there. Oh, I just think it's stupid. We're gonna lose other people as well. I think more homes is also a thing as well. Looks of it. No, not really. But food limits. Far out. It's I don't understand what's happening with the food. Let's just bypass this. That's not good. See, we've... Oh, this is annoying me. Hey, how do you know? We lost half the town already. We got more... Oh, fucking hell. Absolutely, this is so stupid. What do you mean no food's being produced? Oh, I can't. Dudes, this is so stupid. We're not getting any foods for some reason. How are you starving? We add in food and they're gone. We definitely need more gatherers. Gatherers are honestly one of the best collectors there are. So we'll build that, not the gatherer's hut. Just out here. Like I said. Oh, get to work. Get to work. Oh, this has set us so far back. And this is the biggest problem with the game. Look, we got... People just keep starving. We just need to stop now, of course. Alright, so we've lost so many people because for some reason our gatherers aren't collecting. Even though half a town is our food production, we still got no one. we somehow managed to... I don't understand. You can see fish there. 8, 24, 8, 12, 17, 11. Alright, out there's food! Okay. This has set us back on so many levels that it's a pain in the arse cheeks. It absolutely is. Alright, so I think that's going to be it for today's episode. We've lost half the town. I don't even know how are people still starving. Okay. So we've lost a lot of people. It's not good. It's nowhere near good. I don't understand how we're losing, but that's going to be it for today's episode. So I hope you guys all did enjoy. Hopefully, next episode we can, or we are able to get back all our civilians back and whatnot. But yeah, until then, guys, we will see you all in the next video. Peace out.